want to show you the inside of the laundry room and the movie room for the drivers. This is the pilot in Tehachapi, California. For those of you who are truck drivers. Aren't you brave with the cold? So driver's lounge. This is where we watch TV, guys. You see it? We have a TV room in some places, and we have a laundry. And this one has a lot of machines, and a TV, and the shower TV, so you know. And that machine right there, if you have a rewards card, you can use it for points with the points to wash your clothing. So pilots, Flying J's have laundry. The new ones, some of them don't, but the old ones always did. And the TAs have laundries at Petros. Nowadays the new ones are a little different, but write your comments, send it to through their apps so that we can get laundries. Okay guys, this is Misa. Arrivederci.